Alright, here goes a quick update. Car was running perfectly. I did a one pull on the street and I heard and felt a knock. And after that it was just knocking. So took the oil pan off and metal shavings. So I was like, what the fuck? When I actually took the oil pan off and looked underneath the car, I found the problem. I'm trying to find the main cap number 2 broke in half. It cracked. When the cap cracked, it made me spun that bearing. When the bearing spun, it scratched my crankshaft. So now I gotta do a complete rebuild. Take the motor out, replace the crankshaft, new bearings. Trying to find the cap. Broken cap. I don't know where the cap went. You can see that's one of the main caps. It broke in half. Like there was a crack in the center of the main cap. I have never seen that before. I googled it and apparently, it just not something that usually happens. I'm assuming it already had a hairline crack on it. I don't know. That one looks kind of funny. The bearing, I think, is broken on that one also. You can see the part of the bearing that's sticking out. Well, that's another one. Well, I already ordered another crank. But I would like to know why that happened. My luck. Everything was running perfect and that happens. Let me find the cap so you guys can see it. Where is the stupid broken cap? I took it off yesterday, so I don't remember what I did with it. Here it is. Alright. So this is how it was on oh shit. You guys can see the crack. That's how it was on the crankshaft. So that made me spun the bearing. The backside is not actually too bad. You can still see the letterings and the numbers.